Okay, so today we are going to try the ring pop twisted berry blast. The baby's gonna try it too, right, baby? Yeah, I think so. I mean, you don't have to, but you can still try it. Stop! I'm not gonna cut you. What? You're acting like you want me to cut you. No. Oh! I'm trying to let go. I'm gonna try first. Okay. That is so good. You try it now. You can also wear it. Oh look, I got a candy ring. Oh, yeah, I like it a lot. It's so good.
So when I said the baby is gonna try it too, she's not gonna try it, but I want to see her reaction.
I want some more. I like it. It's good. I'm trying other candies.